Now let's see about this question, pie chart related previous questions, data interpretation. This is question is related to pie chart. Now the total amount funded is this much, right? So 12 crores. Now what is the difference between HR department and operations? So HR department is this blue color 29%. Operations is this one. Operations is this one 5%. Difference between those, don't calculate separately and take difference directly. Difference is 24%. Difference is 24% of the total. Total is 100%. Entire pie chart total 100% is this. You want 24%, so multiply with 24, because 1% means two zeros will be removed. So 24%, so 12 into 24, 12 square 144 double 288. So yeah, that zero is fine. It's simple. 1% means two zeros should be removed. 24% means 24 into this multiplying, but remove two zeros at the end. That's why initially you have 7 zeros. Now we need 5 zeros only. That's what you can observe. Two zeros removed. Then multiply with 24. Now next question. This is regarding bar graph. So one related to pie chart. Now one related to bar graph. Two different products, toothpaste and shampoo. The profit obtained for shampoo is 25% more than the profit obtained for toothpaste. In which year? Okay, so you need to compare. This is comparison. More than, less than is comparison. First of all, shampoo greater than toothpaste. Every year, shampoo is greater than toothpaste only, but percentage should be 25%. See, 25% more than means shampoo should be 125% of toothpaste. Means shampoo divided by toothpaste is 125 divided by 100, 5 by 4. So guys, I need 5 by 4 relationship. Approximately they given 25% more than. So it should be 5 by 4 relationship. Nothing, it's like 5 by 4. We'll see 3.24 means we can take 324 divided by 288. This is 18 times. This is 18 one times, then 108 means 6 times. This is, we got 9 by 8, not 5 by 4. At least close to that. 1.25 required. Okay, at least I want 1.25. Here 9 by 8 is 1.125, not 1.25. Next 2.52 divided by 2.24. Okay, so 252, 126, then 112, 14 multiples. Yeah, 14, 17 times, 14, 8, no, not 14, 18 times. Wait, 16 times, that is, this is 16 times. This is 18 times. So 9 by 8. Again, I got same. Okay, 1.125. I want 1.25 here. Right, whereas here 216 divided by 168. Which is 454 times, 442 times, 69 times, 67 times. Right? So 9 by 7. It will be 1, 2 by 7 means 1.3. Yeah, 1.2 something will come here at least. 1.2 something like. So this is 210 divided by 168, which is 730 times, 730 times, 724 times, which is 5 times, 4 times, see 5 by 4, 1.25, 2019 correct. 2019 is the one which is your answer. 1.25 required. Option D. Now table, one pie chart, one bar graph, now table here. Four products are there. The weightage of each one is 3211. 3211 is the weightage. More marks for A than B, then C and D equal marks. Weightage. The average amount spent by Q on B and C. Q on B and C is nothing but 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5 divide by 2 plus 1. Okay, divide by 2 or divide by 2 plus 1. Weighting is there, weighted average. Fine. So it's like, let's say 11 by 3. Okay. That amount is what percentage amount spent on P and R on A. P on A and R on A. P and R. So 3 into 5. This is 3 into 6. P on A, R on A also. 3 into 6. Divide by 3 plus 3. Which will be 11 by 2. Now, this is, okay, this is first one, this is second one. X1 is what percentage of X2? Question is, this is what percentage approximately for this? 11 by 3 is what percentage of 11 by 2? So what do you have to X1 divided by X2 into 100? 11, 11 cancel, 1 by 3, 1 upon 1 by 2 means it's like 2 by 3, 66.66 dear. We have to go with 66.66 percentage. X1 divided by X2, 1 by 3, 1 of 1, okay, 11 by 3, 11 by 2, 11, 11 cancel, denominator 1 by 2, that will be like 2 by 1, it will invert. It's 66.66 percentage. Average, this is weighted average. Here we have to apply weighted average concept. Each one is having different weight. Weighted average concept. We know 5 boys age is 10, 6 girls age is 7. What is the average? Means 5 into 10, 6 into 7 divided by 5 plus 6. Weighted average concept. So that's what we are applying. 2 into 3, 1 into 5 divided by 2 plus 1. 3 into 5, 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 3. Weighted average concept we are applying. Now see this line graph. 4 questions, 4 different models. Table, bar graph, line graph, pie chart. Now in this question, what they are asking, comparison. Rajesh compared to Rakesh, which year percentage is low? Comparison, this is Rajesh compared with Rakesh, what percentage low? So this comparison, okay, the difference between Rakesh and Rajesh, you are comparing with Rakesh. Divide by Rakesh into 100. My dear friend, every month they given 4 months, so you skip about May. Remaining months, all you try this. Okay, which one is low? You have to calculate. Difference between them with respect to Rakesh. Rakesh means yellow color one. Difference is 700 divided by yellow. Okay, this is 1 by 7. 100 by 7, which is 14 percentage. Here 1 by 6. This will be 1 by 6. 1100 divided by 6600 means 1 by 6 it is. Okay, 1 by 6 means which is 16.66 percentage. This is 14 point something. This is 14.27 in fact. This is 600 divided by 1 by 7. This is also 14.27. Here difference 800, 1 by 9. 1 by 9 means 11.11 percentage. So February is more. February is more. May also will be same thing you will get here 11.11 only May also. So percentage comparison is difference with respect to with whom you are comparing. And question, sorry, they are asking too low. Too low is in April among the given options. Too low. 800 divided by 7,000, 1 by 9. Don't take, okay, for May month, as it is not given in options. May also same thing will come in fact. May 900 divided by 9, 18, 8100. So it will also same 1 by 9 only will come. So difference divided by with what you are comparing into 100. Among options, April is the lowest. Third question. Third question, it's weighted average. Okay. See, A, B, C, D are four products. Each one is having a weightage of 3 to 1, 1. 3 to 1, 1 is the weightage of A, B, C, D. First one, average amount spent by Q on B and C. Q on B and C. 3 into 2 is the weightage. Weightage 2 into 3, 1 into 5 divided by 2 plus 1. That is, I called it like x1. This one is called x1, I given as a notation. Whereas this is I called as a x2. What is x2? Second one is, okay, average amount spent by P and R on A. P on A 5, R on A 6. Okay, but weightage is saying 3 into 5 plus 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 3. Weightage. So which is 3 3 get cancelled in a okay. Our numerator is 15 plus 18, 33 divided by 6, which is 3 cancel 11 by 2. So now question is, first one is approximately what percentage of second one? First one is x1. X1 is what percentage of x2 means. X1 divided by x2 into 100 we need to calculate. That's nothing but 266 2 by 3 percentage. So among options, okay, we can go with option A. Among options, go with option A. Right. Fine. See the next one. Fifth question again, line graph. Here, highest marks is less than the total score of the two students with the least marks. For 100 scored by 5 students, okay, by what percentage is the score of the student with the highest marks is less than the total score of the two students with the least marks. So total two students with the least marks is 54 and 61, 14 is definitely 95 is lower than that. But see, this is also comparison 95. After that, whatever comes, that should be in the denominator. Difference is 19. Divide by 114 into 100, which is 1 by 6 means 16.66. This is 6 times. So 100 divided by 60, 16.66. Or 16 1 by 6. Okay. 25 by 3. Right? We can write 16 2 by 3 percentage. 50 by 3, which is 16 2 by 3. Now, bar graph. 2018 compared to 2014, 6.4 compared to 2 comparison 6.4 compared to 2014. So difference divided by with what you are comparing. 1 by 3 means 33.33. With what you are comparing. You are comparing with 4.8. That should come in denominator. 33.33 percentage. See this. Comparison with what you are comparing. That's important here. Now see this question related to table. Bit next level question. 10 questions related to data interpretation. So here what they are asking, total marks scored by Amir in physics and chemistry compared to the total marks scored by Ajar. Okay, percentage. So right, so compared. First one Amar in physics and chemistry. And see this table below represents the marks scored. Okay, so Amar in physics and chemistry is 171. Is what percentage of scored by Ajar and Ajad? Okay, this is only Amar together, one person, but Ajar and Ajad, maths, history, and English. So we need to take a lot, no, that to two people. So Ajar and Ajad, maths, history, English. So here 112, you can add all that, that's the denominator. 52 plus 60, 112, and here 66, then 78, then 98, then 96. 450 denominator. So 171 divided by 450. First one has a percentage of second 38%. See, this is 450. Simple. So 171 divided by 450 into 100. If we calculate, we got 38 percentage. Right. Next one. See, table bit next level question we discussed. Okay, here bar graph, I think everything is bit easy only. Now pie chart, bit next level question here because pie chart and table combined question is this. And see the question carefully. This is the entire question. No options. No options. So see this question. Right. So what they given 20,000 college students is splitted from 5 districts. And here focus is only on okay district A, district C and D. Don't go for everything. So district A, district C and D only we need to focus. So district A is 15%. So district A total people out of 20,000, 10% is nothing but 2,000. 15% means 3,000 will be there. Whereas C and D, C is 20%. 20% means 4,000. Whereas D, 27% means 5,400. 1% is 200. Okay, so that's what the strength of those districts. Now, this table represents who joined in engineering college. Remaining people, these are the students, okay, college students. This percentage represents who joined in engineering college. But question, difference between who joined in engineering from district A. So in A, how many joined engineering is 45%. So 10% or 1% is 30, 45%. So we'll get 30, 45 into 3, okay, 1350. That is what A engineering. Next, C and D not join engineering, non-engineering students in C and D together. In C, 60% joined for engineering, not joining engineering is 40%. 4,000 40% is 1600. Right. Whereas D, non-engineering, 20% only, 10% is 540, 20% is 1080. Now difference between this here 250 plus 1080, 250 plus 1080, 1330 is the answer. Difference is okay, you can clearly observe 1330 is the difference, right? So see, okay, table and pie chart combination question. This is data interpretation. Collect the required data and perform. This is the fill in the blank question. Fine. Options given, but all options they given value. They're asking ratio. Value is not correct. No, but okay, fine. Let's see this. Yeah, what they given ratio between the average of attendance of 4 students with top 4 values and least 4 values. So out of this 10, top 4, least 4 we need to decide. So the top 4 is 64, 58, 56, 52. Fine. The least 4, 20, 26, 36 and 44. Right. So fine. Now average of this is 110, here 120. 110, 120, 330 divided by 4. As it is ratio, okay, no worries. Whereas this leads to an average 36 and 44, 80, 80 and 20, 100, 126 divided by 4. So this 4 cancel, and this is 621 times 655 times. That's it. So the ratio is 55 and 21. We cannot cancel with any common term there. Okay. So it's 55 and 21 should be your answer. Ratio between average, as it is average, dividing that also it will cancel. Here 4 values, here 4 values. No. Now see the 10th question, probably last question in data interpretation. Pie chart. So fine. So a farmer distributes his farmland to his 8 sons, as shown in the pie chart. The values are the center angle, which is actually 360 degrees total. No, so they're given in terms of angle. If Ravi gets 4.5 acres, 15 degrees related to 4.5 acres means into 3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Okay, now question is what is the total land? Total land is 360 degrees, no? So 360 into zero point 0.3, which is 36 into 3, 108 acres. Total land will be 108 acres. What area of land is given to Manoj, Vivek and Dhananjay? Manoj is 60 degrees, so 60 into zero point 0.3, 18 acres to Manoj. Vivek, 45 degrees, so 45 into zero point 0.3, 13.5 acres to Vivek. Dhananjay and Vivek both will get same only. Dhananjay also 13.5 acres. So we got the logic, it's multiplied by zero point 0.3 because of Ravi. Ravi is 15 degrees angle, it's related to 4.5. 45 means multiplied by 3, 4.5 means multiplied by 0.3. So everything you multiply with 0.3, okay, then it will be simple. Okay, this is the different question. So now here, total land 108. Area of land given to Manoj, Vivek and Dhananjay. Maybe adding that if required, Vivek, Manoj and Dhananjay, or subtraction of that. Okay. 150 is no, 90 no, 75 acres no. So this is what? 13.5, 13.5, 27 plus 18, 45 acres. Maybe some, what is the area given to Manoj, Vivek and Dhananjay? So you can do actually direct addition. 45 plus 45. See, I think, okay, this is, if they're asking that one exactly, what you can do, Manoj, Vivek and Dhananjay, for 60 degrees, here 45, here 45, adding 150 degrees. 15 degrees is 4.5, 150 degrees is 45. When 15 degrees related to 4.5, 150 related to 45. So directly we can mark it. Okay, given you how to calculate individual thing, but it's not required if they're asking. Okay, area of Manoj, maybe it's a two different questions. First question is total land, that's a separate question. Maybe you can now, if Ravi is this, what is Manoj, Vivek and Dhananjay? Right. So data interpretation, so this is what my dear friends, previous questions. Yeah, here correction, it's 230. This is 230. So 4 cancel anyhow, and here it's like 63. This is 115 and 3 times also no, 115 and 63. Is it divided by 7? This is 7 9 times. Okay, it's not divided by 9 or 3. Okay, 7. No, it cannot cancel with 7. So it's 115 and 63. Okay. Yeah, that's addition. Yeah, 230 divided by 4. This is 1.6 divided by 4.